going to find is that in Harlingen and in this whole region, we're in a very unique place, a very unique time in place. With all the development that's happening and our new regional university, RGV, and the kind of work that's happening at TSTC, you keep your eyes open because this whole region will be changing. I want to welcome you as your superintendent to the very first RGV Space Summit and a collaborative effort between Harlingen Aerotropolis, TSTC, Harlingen CISD, and the Harlingen EDC, which is the Economic Development Corporation. Many individuals came together to make this happen. Today we're here in what I call a moment in time. And so we have several entities involved in creating, as a partnership, creating this Aerospace Summit. And so we have kids from our comprehensive high schools and our early college high school here today to listen to some fantastic speakers.
We have 3 speakers. All the students will rotate between those 3 speakers, so there'll be 3 40-minute sessions, and the speakers consist of a governmental entity in NASA, and they're going to talk about what they're doing at NASA and why you need to make sure that you have the STEM studies behind you as you move into those fields, and what their requirements are for those students to work there. We'll also have a large launch company, our own United Launch Alliance, right here in Harlingen, and the speaker will talk about what they do and what their requirements are for students to come there and work. We also have an entrepreneur in Agile Air.
The whole focus is really to highlight the importance of the STEM fields. These areas will begin to transform our entire region with ULA and SpaceX being cornerstone pieces to these projects. And so we wanted to give kids firsthand exposure to some outstanding speakers and outstanding information surrounding this very career.
Well, again, it's, we kind of theme this, for the students to explore their curiosities, make their curiosities into opportunities for them. We want to, show the students what the possibilities are out there. And as Dr. Cavasso said so eloquently earlier, was that they need to erase their minds from "I can't" and "I never will be able to do that," because anything's possible if you set your mind to it.
Indeed, this is the first annual Aerospace Summit, and so our goal is to make this a movement. We believe that in creating systems like this, we're going to energize the students to really lean into these professions and continue to look for these areas. There's such a great need to have kids in these areas. And so we're really excited about the opportunities today. And I want to thank, on behalf of the school district, all our partners that came together from TSTC, the EDC, and so forth, came together to make this a possibility for our students.
Well, we want to partner with the Harlingen School District. I also represent the Harlingen Aerotropolis, and that's a large mixed-use development on the east side of the airport. And it's important as we go out and talk to these companies, particularly high-tech companies with high-paying jobs, that we can prove to them that we have a workforce, and not only now, but into the future. So we want to make sure that our students are ready and to take those jobs, and so they don't have to go out of the valley to find those jobs in the future, but they can stay right here in the valley they love and work in the job that they would love.